Hi, today we'll be reviewing the Ocommo silicone case for iPhone X. Let's get started. The Ocommo silicone case is a high-quality, robust iPhone case using premium-grade silicone that feels sturdy yet soft to the touch. I've had this case on my phone for the past month or so and have found no issues in terms of tearing when taking it on and off my iPhone. The experience using this case has been nothing but positive, with nothing feeling cheap in the construction. In terms of visual design, the case is absent of any logos or branding, which I tend to like in products I invest in. It just gives a sleeker and more understated look to the whole design. The case encompasses the entirety of the iPhone, including the bottom portion, which gives full protection when going through the motions of day-to-day life. On the front, the case provides a 1.5mm raised lining on the edges, shielding the front screen as well as the back camera from impact. The interior is made up of a layer of premium microfiber, preventing scratches on the glass backing of the iPhone. Due to the thin design of the case, I was able to use my wireless charging pad when charging my iPhone. The dimensions are exact and there are no blemishes in the production of the case. The cutouts are tight and precise, which is always a plus. During the duration of using the case, I dropped my phone twice and each time the case protected the body of the phone without fault. In conclusion, the Ocommo silicone case combines high-grade materials with a minimalist design, making this my favorite iPhone case to this date. The Ocommo silicone case is available now in a variety of colors and can be purchased on BrandsWalk.com. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. If you would like to see a specific product reviewed for future content, please comment below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.